Hello everyone, Lori here with Beauty Simplified by Lori. Wanted to come on today and do a quick hair tutorial and show you guys how I like to curl my hair for second, third, and fourth day hair. All right, so I'm gonna make it so that you can we'll speed up through some of the monotonous stuff, but I wanted to jump on and tell you a little bit about what I do with my hair. Okay, this stuff right here, this thickening cream, Thick It Cream, is amazing. My hair has never felt better. I use this right after I get out of the shower, kind of work a little bit through my hair. A little bit goes a long way, and it just really gives my hair that extra va boom to make sure that it stays nice and full all week long. All right. The other thing I like to do is make sure that I use a little bit of root booster. I'll show you that. Make sure you're protecting your hair with this delicious stuff. It smells so good and it protects your hair. The other thing that I just barely tried yesterday was this glaze lotion, okay? Now, not only is this just amazing with the way it smells, but it protects your hair and it is also makes it be shiny and healthy. So it has a heat protectant in it as well. So I usually do this when my hair is wet, work it through when I blow dry my hair. And then it's yummy for days to come, all right? The other thing, if you have a hard time getting your hair to hold any type of a curl, this Salt and Sea Spray helps give it grit. You can tell I love it. I'm blowing through that bottle because I'm just give me all the Salt and Sea Spray. Okay, today I wanted to show you how I use this Posh with when I do my hair curls, just to kind of help give it a little bit of a shine. Sometimes blondes have a hard time getting their hair to be nice and shiny, and this Posh is magic sauce. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is I like to divide my hair up and make sure that I pull a bunch of it up on the top of my head. It just makes it easier to work in sections. And I'm gonna be using both this wand, the 25mm Ondule wand, and the straightener. This one is called the, I can't remember. It'll come to me in a minute. But I love this for the short parts of the back of my hair. So, promise it'll come to me in just a minute. All right, let me grab my comb and let's get to work, people. So if you want smaller curls, then you want to take smaller amount of hair. It'll give you just a little bit of an extra curl for the week. I'm taking a little bit of the Posh, and I'm just kind of working it through my hair like this first before I curl it. Then I'm gonna take my wand, hold it in there just for a second, and pull it out. Look at that. The curls are so good, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I've kind of gone through and worked the back of my hair a little bit, and I usually use the straightener on the back of my hair just because it's a little bit easier for me to manage. And I just do like a really quick little flip like that. And this first layer doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Because it's this top layer that is going to be the most important, okay? So now I'm gonna pull down some more hair and we're gonna do another layer. And sometimes I'll break it into like 3 or 4 different sections. Sometimes I will just quickly do like the top, which is the most important, but you want to make sure that you're using your spray to like keep it healthy. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. And then again, this is like a little pump bottle, so I can do it one-handed. I can literally like push down on that and get just the smallest amount like that. And that is what I'm gonna work through when I go to do some of these curls up front. And it really does make a difference in how pretty and shiny your hair is. The other tip that you wanna make sure that doing is that you're making sure that your curls are nice and smooth before you do the heat on them. Look, now watch how good this is. Now see how I'm kind of pulling down? You can lift up or you can like pull it down. But look, now I love these long pieces hanging. If there are some that are a little bit too long, when I go to style it, I can usually like just take my straightener and fix that, or I'll go over it with my wand as well. Okay, guys, this is the end, right here. Okay, so see how good these are all looking? So good, right? Okay, so the most important part that you're gonna do your hair is like right up here on the top, all right? This is where I get like a ton of lift, all right? So again, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Posh cream. I'm gonna bend down so you can see the top of my hair. And this like not only helps protect the hair, but it also helps give it like really, really cute curl. So you wanna kind of get it as close to the scalp as you can, because that is what's going to give you that lift. Watch this. Look, okay, so you can see how it's like already giving me that lift right there. And then I'll come over here and do this one over here. Put some more Posh. Make sure that when you do these curls and you want to get maximum volume, that you get them pulled nice and tight. Start wrapping right at the root and see how I can like slide mine around? Oh, I lost it. Let's see if I can grab it. That's what's gonna give me the most lift. See that? So cute, right, you guys? Now I will do my hair like this, and then for the next few days, all I will have to do is like touch up a couple of the curls up here on top. It makes it super duper easy. See that? So fun, right? Come over here, do one over here, and depending on which way you want to part your hair, you know, you'll do the curls with the ringlets coming one way, but the fun thing about it is like you can totally like pull them the opposite direction. Even though you've like curled it this way, I still will be able to pull it up and over this way, okay? It won't really matter because the look is so messy that you can do it any way you want. There are no rules for curls, people. But I will tell you that to get them to look really effortless, it does take a little bit of time the first day to get like these really pretty curls that will last for days, but they are so worth it in the long run. So worth it. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? So it looks like I missed a piece right here. Don't worry. It's fun to have like different size curls, because that gives your hair like a lot of like texture and movement. See that? So cute. Okay, let's speed this part up. Okay, so as we start to get really close to the front here, it really just depends on how tight you like the curls around the front of your face. So I actually really like kind of like the straight look around my face a little bit more, but I'm going to show you that I still like to do a little bit of curl, kind of like that will kind of lay over the top of my straight pieces, because I feel like it just, I don't know, it's kind of whimsical and kind of cute, and that's just what I like. But again, there are no rules, so you can do it however you want to do it. But like, see how cute that is? So sometimes if my bangs need to be like straightened a little bit. That's why I have my straightener plugged in, and then they can be nice and smooth right along with my curls. Okay guys, so as you can see, lots and lots of curls, lots and lots of texture going on. I love the way that the Posh really like makes these curls so amazing, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I like to like piece my hair out. I like to get underneath and just kind of shake it like this. And like, look at the body that that gives. And this is where you can put a little bit of root boost on your fingers and like work it into the scalp. You can piece out these pieces. So see how I can like take this curl and pull it over, even though I curled it this way. This is what gives like your hair so much volume. But see how cute it is to have some of these like curly pieces. And just kind of keep messing with it until you get it kind of the way you want. And then the sea salt spray, I swear with these curls, it actually acts almost like a hairspray, but doesn't feel sticky like a hairspray, but it will hold my curls. And it's crazy, you guys. It's absolutely nuts how it like will hold these curls without it being hairspray. And it like, my hair normally goes really frizzy, but with these products, using these products only, I'm telling you, it's insane. See what that does? Guys, it's so pretty. The curls are so good. Right? And then once I get it to the way I like it, I love this hairspray. It has 3 different settings on it. So you can set it as like light hold, medium hold, or hard hold. Spray it about 12 inches away. I usually like mine right around medium, but I don't use very much anymore because I'm always just using that sea salt texture spray. It's so good. You guys, that's it. Anybody can use these tools, okay? I think I paid $30 for this straightener, and it's better than my $100 straightener that I purchased, okay? And then this Ondule wand, I'm not kidding when I say my curls have never looked this good. I used to curl with a straightener, but I'm telling you, there's something magical about a wand and what it does for your skin. And then, you guys, I am like a hair makeup snob, and I'm telling you, these products are gold. And right now you can get them at a crazy, crazy, crazy good price. So make sure that you click on my link and get you some new products. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. I'd love to hear how people are using the products, how you're doing your hair. I could watch people do their hair and makeup all day long, okay? If you have any questions about my makeup at all, I am 51 years old. I love helping women feel beautiful, whether it's with makeup or with hair, and you're interested in what I use for my makeup, comment makeup below, okay? And I'll reach out to you and tell you what I use. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.